Chemistry. Today I am going to take about on the topics of coating. The coating is nothing but there are the three types of coatings. One is the inorganic coatings and another one is the organic coatings. Inorganic coatings, there are the classifications of metallic coatings and non-metallic coatings. So from this metallic coatings there are subdivisions which has electroplating, electrolysis and some more properties of the phosphate groups which also in non-metallic groups, and the organic coating which is nothing but is from the paint functions. So today I am going to only talk about this, what is an electroplating, how the plating can be done by using this direct sources and which produces the cathode to anode reactions. So here the coating metal is deposited on the base metal by using this direct current source, and it can be react as the electroplating of process, whether the electrons can be passed through the solutions and it can be coated on the base metal by using this direct current sources. So this is the basic formations and how the basic metal which is considered as a cathode, and the anode which is considered as which is going to be a coating metal. So this is a cathode and the anode properties. From this we can use this, what are the objectives which are in the electroplating by using this coating. So by using this coating on non-metal groups, it should have improved their resistant corrosion towards the properties, and it has to improve the resistance fear to use this properties, and it has a better hardness and the physical properties which is used in this metal group, and it has to improve the surface properties which also used in this plastic woods and other properties of the metals, and which is by using this non-metal groups it has to increase the strength of the property for using this alternate form of the metals, and by using this preserved decorative surfaces from this other metals and non-metals or plastic or wood. By using these properties we have the special characteristics of the strength too, and we are resistant properties, and it has to improve the strength and the decorative look by using this finishing properties. So this is the objectives which are used in this electroplating purposes. And now we are going to detailedly explain about this, what is the process behind this electroplating, how the plating can be directly converted into this another metal plates. So this is the diagram representation, how the beaker which is considered of the gold foil, and another side which is connected with this copper object, and the copper object which is considered as a cathode, and the gold which is considered as an anode, and anode is a coating material which is deposited on the base metal that is copper, and these two elements which is connected in the direct sources of the current, and this two sources are immersed in the solution of the AuCl3. So this is the electrolyte solution which is used in this process. So next, the copper object. The copper object is first place is heat treated within the solution of dilute HCl or sulfuric acid to remove the dust particles and any other particles inside this foil. So, and when next processes, the cleaned object is then again treated with this treated into this object which is considered as a cathode, that is copper, and the gold foil which is considered as the anode to form the product, and the third, the electrolyte which is immersed in the two objectives is but AuCl3, which gives the electrolytic functions to form the gold foil which is immersed into the solutions and get into the direct source of current and producing the gold foil which is merged into this and deposited on the copper object. So the gold dissociation migrate to a cathode and deposits on the copper object. So this is the process how the electroplating can be converted by using this gold foil into a copper object, and it has a functioning of the object is to be placed in somewhere else, and using this metals or non-metals, anything we can be replaced by using this electroplating process. So by this, how the reactions can be going for, it is that Au which is considered in the gold, that which gives from the solution of the AlCl3, that is 3Cl minus ions which react with AuCl 3 in the form of the anodic process. And from this cathodic process, the AuC3 plus, which is again goes into the gain of electron, that is 3e minus, which gives off Au to form the copper object. And the final reaction is AuCl3, which gives off the same of reactions. Au will cancel, and AuCl3, which gives Au3 plus Cl minus. So this is how the electroplating can be done by using this method, and the application is it is used in the jewelry decoration process. Thank you.